Stocks made you money, right? Good. But let me ask you something. Are you playing the stock market or are you building wealth? There's a big difference. Because real wealth, it's not just some digits on a screen. It's cash flow, it's equity, it's owning the dirt under your feet. Today I'm going to show you why smart investors eventually graduate from stocks to the streets. Warren Buffett said it best. If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. And stocks can do that. But real estate does it even better. Stocks versus real estate. A wake-up call. Look, stocks are amazing for growing your net worth, but they're terrible at building freedom. Why? Because a portfolio of stocks doesn't pay you enough unless you're sitting on millions. But real estate? Every month you can get paid cash flow, equity growth, loan pay down, tax breaks, and you have leverage. The bank gives you money to buy an asset and the renters pay it off for you. Meanwhile, you ride the appreciation and tax deductions on the full value of the property, not just the cash you put down. You don't get that kind of cheat code with stocks or anywhere else. Ask your neighbor. They don't have anything better. The big advantages you can't ignore. Number one, cash flow. Imagine stocks paying you rent every month, not just dividends once a quarter. Sure, there are a few monthly paying dividend stocks. We went over those in the last series. But real estate? It's money that hits your account, whether you're on a beach or stuck in traffic, bounded by a contract. They can't just not pay, like a company can randomly slash or skip dividend payments if times get tough. You have more control. Number two, appreciation. Long-term property values tend to climb. And inflation? It actually helps you. While prices go up, your mortgage stays fixed and your asset becomes more valuable. Number three, loan pay down. Every month your tenant is not just paying you rent. They're quietly paying down your mortgage too. Over time, your loan balance shrinks. Your equity grows, and one day that property could be completely paid off. Just sitting there, printing cash like a money tree. Try getting that from stocks. Number four, tax benefits. Ever hear about depreciation, cost segregation, or 1031 exchange? Real estate investors legally keep more money. Stock investors? Capital gains taxes every time you cash out. Ouch! Take it easy, Uncle Sam. Number five, leverage. In real estate, you can control a $300,000 property with maybe $60,000 out of pocket. In stocks, if you want to control $300,000 worth of stocks, you need $300,000. Big difference. So recently out here in Houston, I got stuck in traffic and then I went to a gas station. So the pump wasn't working right. I was swiping my card like 8 times and nothing. So I went inside and I waited in line and the dude tells me, oh yeah, that pump's been broken since last week. Bruh, why you got Christmas light ads on it and you're telling me it's not working? So you out here flashing like a promiscuous lady. If you ain't in business, don't advertise. So yeah, the whole thing felt like life sometimes. You think you're filling up, getting somewhere, but really, you're just standing there looking stupid. And that's why I like real estate. When you buy right, the money actually shows up. You know you actually own something on the ground that you can touch and it's actually paying you, not just flashing lights and empty promises. Control. Your future, your rules. With stocks, you're riding the market. You can study it, you can trade it, but you can't control it like what your abusive ex-boyfriend did to you. It's not tangible enough. One bad earnings season and boom, 20% of your wealth is gone overnight. And this is what my old tita nurses coworkers at night shift felt during the pandemic when the stock market crashed. They're like, oh my gosh, ay nako, what happened to my 401k? Since their 401k is bound to the stock market. And look at the Buffett indicator right now, man. It's way overvalued. But real estate? Yeah, the Case-Shiller index is saying that real estate is pretty overvalued as well in aggregate total. But you can always pick and choose sub-markets. You don't have to invest in your own neighborhood, in your own state, in your own backyard. You can pick the property. You can set the rent. You can upgrade it, refinance it, cash flow it, sell it, 1031 exchange it. You're not a passenger anymore. You're the pilot, and you can choose how much autopiloting you want to do. Speaking of control, I had to explain this to a friend once on how much control you have with real estate compared to stocks or cryptocurrency. He's like, no man, you just study the news and the charts and then read articles. So depending on what you studied, the news, the narrative, whatever, do you actually get to call the corporate office and make a decision for the company? I don't think so. You don't even need to study anything in real estate, and you get to decide 100% what you want to do with your property. I mean, if you want to make a profit, it's in your best interest to study and know the investment, but just to make a decision, you don't need to study anything. Making a decision is already there for you. It's tangible, it's right there. You can even poop on it. You can poop on your own property. How badass is that for an investment? Can you literally, physically poop on your ETF? Can you lay a dump on a piece of stock? Ticker symbol POOP? Nah, I don't think so. Only in real estate, because real estate is the shit. So that's control. Speaking of pooping in properties, I was a real estate agent for like 10 years, right? And I've always thought about pooping in the property during an open house. And I never got a chance to do it. Maybe I didn't have the low-hanging fruit to do it. But if I was ever caught in an emergency and I got to do it, I'm open to it. I'm just saying. Anyway, if you've ever built wealth in stocks, awesome. But if you're serious about leveling up, building freedom, not just digits, real estate is your next move. Stocks will make you rich on paper, but real estate makes you rich in real life. And trust me, my friend, nothing beats walking into a house that you own that someone else is paying off for you. So, in my book, Mastering Single Family Real Estate, I break down exactly how to start, even if you're just warming up, getting started. And if you're ready to really fast track your real estate progress, get the book, links down below, and watch this series. Check them out when you're ready to stop renting your life and start owning your future. This is the secret sauce for more investing, finance, real estate, and macroeconomics. Let's all learn wealthy together. I'll see you in the next video.